Hello everyone, Benda here. In today's video we'll be looking at the Mul-T-Lock Integrator. It is a dimple lock with 7 pins. All drivers except the last one are spools. The last one is standard, and when it is set the course into false set. When setting the next spools, we get a counter rotation, which we have to control with a tensioner, just like with the classic spool type pins. There is a certain security element used here, which is very effective in damping the feedback, and in case we don't know about it, we may be surprised to find that all pins are loose and none of them bind, even if the core is tensioned. This safety feature is key pin number 5, which is different from the others, and after inserting the pick into the keyway, we may get the impression that pin number 5 is not inside. We'll get to the guts in a moment and I will show you this pin. To get the feedback, this very pin should be set first. It will give a gentle click and then other pins will start to bind. So in summary, this is a relatively easy lock to pick, but one of that brings satisfaction and fun. Alright, let's see the guts. Okay, here are the guts. We will start with the key pin number 5, which I mentioned. As you can see, it is different from the others. Its top looks like an arrow, and it is oval in a cross section, and so it is chamber here in the core. Its lower part, however, has a diameter like the other pins, and this is the reason that no pin binds before we set the unusual one. I will frankly admit that I don't know if in every copy of the integrator this pin is in the 5th chamber. So that's how it looks like. Okay. The other key pins are standard, except for the last one, number 7, which is a torpedo. Driver pins are one standard one, number 7, which is bind as first after we set the number 5, and the 6 spools, which gives us a false set and counter rotation during lifting. So it is quite nice lock. Here you have the housing with 7 chambers, nothing special here. Here you have the core, nothing special as well. Unusual chamber for unusual pin. That's how it looks. The key and the cuts, you can see here is pin number 1, which is a max lift. Number 3 is a max lift as well. Number 2, 7 and 5 are quite low. Number 6 is quite high. So the key is both-sided, and that will be all from the guts. So let's pick this lock. Alright, this is a Mul-T-Lock Integrator. So the lock is working. Let's pick it. Counterclockwise tension, and I will start from the unusual pin on 5th chamber, which is damps the feedback. Okay, now number 7, and we have on full set. Now number 2, deeper full set. Number 6, number 4, number 3, number 3 is max left, so that my short flag was okay. And number 1, it's a max lift as well, and we have an open. Alright, so let's gut it. And number 7. Alright. Now drivers. Okay, and springs. And the last one. Here we have the housing. Alright, and some pins. So that will be all with the Mul-T-Lock Integrator. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and be good. Cheers.